डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं. उसमें केवल एक पॉलिनोमियल को दूसरी पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करना है. नाउ आई कम टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Second question is, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing first polynomial by second polynomial. Okay. So what we have to do here, we have to divide second polynomial. This is second polynomial, 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. And this is the first polynomial, t square minus 3. So we have to check here that whether first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing first polynomial by second polynomial. Sorry, I have mistaken here something, that by dividing second polynomial by first polynomial. By dividing first polynomial. So we have to divide this second polynomial by first polynomial. Okay. Sorry for this mistake. In a hurry, I have written this is first actually. So this is the first polynomial, t square minus 3, and this is the second polynomial, 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. All the terms of first polynomial and second polynomial are written in standard form. I mean, greater degree term is written first, then lower degree term, then lower, and so on. So for to get the first term of coefficient, what will I do? Now for to get the first term of coefficient, what will I do? I will divide first term of this dividend by the first term of divisor. So I will divide 2t to the power 4 upon t square. So t square and t to the power 4 will cancel out and I will get t square. So and this is also 2, so I will get 2t square. So in the quotient portion I will write 2t square. I will write this 2t square. Now multiply this 2t square with each term of divisor. So when you multiply 2t square with this t square, you will get 2 t to the power 4, and you will get this minus 3. So 2 into this minus 3 will get minus 6. 3 2s are 6, and this is t square. So I will write like this. Now I will change the sign. This minus sign will become plus, and this is already plus sign, so it will become minus. Okay, so this will be cancel out. 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4. Now this is plus 6t square and this is minus 2t square. Okay. Basically this term should be written just below this term, minus 2t square. But I have written here. No problem, no issue. Divide accordingly. So this is minus 2t square and this is plus 6t square. So you will get plus 4t square. Okay. Now there was no term just below this term 3t cube. And whenever you write any dividend or any polynomial, the highest degree term must be written first. So I will write this 3t cube here. I will write this 3t cube here. यहाँ पर ये 3t cube ऊपर से नीचे एज इट इज आ जाएगा, क्योंकि इसको अभी तक किसी भी चीज से हमने कैंसिल नहीं किया है या सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया है, इसमें कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ है, तो इसको हम एज इट इज लिख देंगे 3t क्यूब. और ये 4t स्क्वायर हमें कहाँ से मिला है? जब हमने इस प्लस 6t स्क्वायर से ये माइनस 2t स्क्वायर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है तो हमें प्लस 4t स्क्वायर मिला है. ओके, नाउ आई विल राइट दिस माइनस t हियर, minus 9t here, then I write minus 12 here. Okay, this is minus 12 here. So now check the degree of the new dividend in comparison to divisor. So this is our new dividend, 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. And this was the divisor. The degree of divisor is 2 and the degree of dividend is 3. So the degree of dividend is higher than divisor, so we can divide. So for to get the next term of coefficient, I will divide first term of this new dividend by first term of the divisor. So I divide first 3t cube upon t square. So t square से ये t cube कैंसिल हो जाएगा और एक t मिल जाएगा. So हमें क्या मिलेगा 3t. I will get 3t. So I write this 3t here plus 3t. Now multiply this plus 3t with t square minus 3. So when you multiply this plus 3t with this t square, you will get 3t cube. When you multiply this plus 3t with minus 3, you will get minus 3 into 3, 9t. So I am writing this minus 9t here. Okay. This is t, this is t. So I am writing like terms before the like terms. Now this is plus sign, so I will change the sign. This will become minus. This is minus sign, so I will write plus sign. So now see, plus 3t cube and this is minus 3t cube, they will cancel out. This is minus 9t and this is plus 9t, so they will be cancel out. So what is remaining? This plus 4t square and this is minus 12. This is remaining. Now 4t square minus 12 is our new dividend. So check the degree of new dividend in comparison to divisor. So the degree of new dividend is 2 and here the degree of divisor was already 2. So degree of dividend and degree of divisor is equal now. Okay. We can divide further. Division is allowed here. So for to get the next term of this quotient, I will divide first term of this dividend by first term of the divisor. So I will divide 4t square by t square. So t square will cancel. I will get 4. So I write this plus 4 here. Okay. Now multiply this plus 4 with t square minus 3. So 4 into t square will give you 4t square. Now multiply this plus 4 with this minus 3, you will get minus 12. Now I change the sign. This plus sign will become minus. This minus sign will become plus. So it will be cancel out. It will be cancel out also. So I am getting 0 as a remainder. Okay. Okay class. So when you get remainder is 0, then this first polynomial will be the factor of this second polynomial. Okay. When remainder is 0, then first polynomial means which polynomial? T square minus 3 is factor of second polynomial. And what was the second polynomial? Second polynomial was 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Please note class that if you will not get a remainder as 0, then first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. अगर आपको रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं मिला तो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल की फैक्टर नहीं होगी. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 मिलेगा उसी केस में फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल की फैक्टर होगी. I hope that you can complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.3. Thank you.